Reading. She loves reading novels in her free time. Reading. She loves reading novels in her free time. Writing. He is writing a letter to his friend. Writing. He is writing a letter to his friend. Swimming. They went swimming in the lake yesterday. Swimming. They went swimming in the lake yesterday. Jogging. Jogging every morning keeps him fit. Jogging. Jogging every morning keeps him fit. Cooking. She enjoys cooking Italian dishes. Cooking. She enjoys cooking Italian dishes. Painting. He spent the afternoon painting a landscape. Painting. He spent the afternoon painting a landscape. Dancing. They are dancing to their favorite song. Dancing. They are dancing to their favorite song. Singing. She is singing in the school choir. Singing. She is singing in the school choir. Gardening. He spends weekends gardening in his backyard. Gardening. He spends weekends gardening in his backyard. Cycling. They enjoy cycling through the countryside. Cycling. They enjoy cycling through the countryside. Hiking. Hiking in the mountains is their favorite activity. Hiking. Hiking in the mountains is their favorite activity. Fishing. He goes fishing every Saturday morning. Fishing. He goes fishing every Saturday morning. Knitting. She is knitting a scarf for her grandmother. Knitting. She is knitting a scarf for her grandmother. Baking. He loves baking cookies during the holidays. Baking. He loves baking cookies during the holidays. Playing chess. They are playing chess in the park. Playing chess. They are playing chess in the park. Meditating. She practices meditating to relax her mind. Meditating. She practices meditating to relax her mind. Drawing. He is drawing a portrait of his cat. Drawing. He is drawing a portrait of his cat. Skating. They went skating at the local rink. Skating. They went skating at the local rink. Playing. Guitar. She is learning to play the guitar. Playing. Guitar. She is learning to play the guitar. Traveling. He enjoys traveling to new countries. Traveling. He enjoys traveling to new countries. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.